Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best trailer light kits is probably one of the most important safety features for any trailer owner, ensuring that you and other drivers on the road can see your trailer, especially at night or in low visibility conditions. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the world of trailer light kits, covering everything from essential features and functionalities to installation tips and considerations to help you choose the perfect kit for your needs and budget, keeping you and others safe on the road. Number 5. MAXXHAUL 70205 Trailer Light Kit. This kit has everything you need: LED stop, tail, and turn signals, plus clearance lights, a license plate bracket, and wiring harness. It's designed to fit many different trailers. Installation is a breeze with the 22-foot color-coded wiring harness. Get it set up quickly and easily, and get back on the road. These premium LED lights provide superior visibility and last much longer than incandescent bulbs. Enjoy reliable performance for years to come. Rest assured, these lights meet all DOT regulations for safety and road legality. Drive with confidence knowing you're compliant. The wiring harness has a UV-resistant coating for extra protection against the elements. This ensures that it will last longer. What we like. This kit has everything you need for a complete setup, including lights and wiring harness. Installation is a breeze thanks to the color-coded wiring. If you value convenience and a long-lasting solution, this is the perfect choice for your trailer needs. What people say. Upgraded my trailer's wiring and lights with this kit. They are bright and install easily. I appreciate the license plate light and holder as well. I reused my old wires, but I thought it was nice that this kit had enough to redo the whole trailer. Even includes the license plate bracket that's included. Seemed like pretty hefty plastic, not cheap stuff. Came with everything needed and was a breeze to set up. Connected to my vehicle wiring with no trouble and works as expected. Number 4. CZC Auto Trailer Light Kit. This kit is perfect for trailers under 80 inches wide. It's designed for durability and visibility, even underwater. It has stop, turn, tail, rear reflector, side marker, and license plate light functions. All in one compact and easy-to-install unit. They use 18-gauge pure copper wire and LED diodes for superior performance and longevity. Plus, they're fully waterproof and submersible. The lights are sealed using sonic welding and marine-grade glue. This ensures they'll withstand even the harshest conditions. Installation is a breeze. A wiring diagram is included, and we've made it simple to connect. Just make sure there are no shorts before use. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. Contact us with any questions or concerns. We're here to help. What we like. It boasts 7 functions in one light, maximizing versatility. Its superior waterproof design ensures reliable performance even in harsh conditions. If you need a robust and multifunctional light for your boat or trailer, this is the one for you. What people say. Got this for my jet ski trailer and they were easy to mount and wire up. Pretty simple and comes with everything you need besides heat shrinks. Absolutely submergible and all the turn signals, hazards, running lights, and etc. work. Lots of wire to work with and trim up. Bulbs are super bright. Looks good appearance-wise as well. Simple 4-pin light hookup. Everything came well organized. Mounting is easy, they are bright and work good. Install was mostly easy. The lights themselves were more than bright enough. They look pretty good actually. Survived being dunked in the ocean as well. Number 3. MAXXHAUL 70094 Trailer Light Kit. This kit is perfect for trailers under 80 inches. It's easy to install and provides all the necessary lighting for safety. It includes stop, tail, and turn signal lights, plus clearance lights. Everything you need is right here in one convenient kit. With its 25-foot split Y-style harness, it offers plenty of reach for most trailers. Installation is a breeze. The large 4.5 by 5-inch lenses ensure excellent visibility, keeping you and others safe on the road. It also includes a license plate light. The kit comes with 4 feet of color-coded copper wire for simple and straightforward installation. Get your trailer road ready quickly. This kit provides peace of mind with its bright lights and simple setup. Drive safely and confidently with MAXXHAUL. What we like. This kit is designed for trailers under 80 inches and includes all the necessary components. The extra-long wiring harness offers flexibility during installation. If you need a simple, comprehensive kit for a smaller trailer, this is a great option. What people say. It comes as a kit that was complete and easy to install. Standard old-school incandescent light kit. Arrived quickly, install went well. The light kit when installed is a clean upgrade that works well and is made to last even when being used in a marine environment. Number 2. iBrightstar IP68 Trailer Lights. These lights are designed to enhance visibility and safety for your trailer. They're perfect for various vehicles, from trucks to boats. They're versatile enough for trucks, trailers, boats, and more. No matter your vehicle, it's ready to improve your safety. Each light offers stop, turn, tail, rear reflector, and side marker functions. One even includes a license plate light. It features superior waterproofing with sonic welding and additional sealant. These lights are built to withstand even the toughest conditions. Installation is simple with 2 mounting options and a clear wiring diagram. Mount them on the back or side of your trailer. Built with heavy-duty materials and 18-gauge copper wires, it's designed for long-lasting performance. You can trust it to keep you safe. We stand behind our product. Contact us if you have any questions or concerns, we're here to help. What we like. This kit is completely waterproof, ensuring reliable performance in any weather. It offers multiple functions and 2 mounting options for easy installation. If you prioritize waterproof protection and versatile functionality, this kit is ideal for your needs. What people say. They're nice and bright too. These lights were very simple to set up. They're bright too. I am happy with the quality and brightness of these lights. I replaced the lights on an older trailer with these and they wired up easily. Number 1. LINKITOM LED Trailer Light Kit. This kit has everything you need for safe and reliable trailer lighting. It includes LED lights, wiring harnesses, and a license plate bracket, ensuring a complete and easy installation. The kit comes with 2 stop turn tail lights, 2 amber clearance lights, and wiring harnesses for simple setup. No need to source additional parts. It's completely sealed to prevent water damage, ensuring it works reliably even when submerged. The lights are built to last, even in harsh conditions. These lights meet all DOT standards, giving you peace of mind knowing you're meeting legal requirements. They're designed for safety and visibility. They're made with high-quality materials and a superior wiring harness for long-term use. These lights are built to withstand the elements and provide years of reliable service. They are perfect for trucks, trailers, boats, and more. These versatile lights are suitable for a wide range of vehicles up to 80 inches wide. What we like. Completely sealed against water damage, this kit provides superior protection. It comes with everything you need, plus an extra-long wiring harness for convenient installation. If you need a reliable, fully equipped waterproof kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Good quality, lights are bright. The LED lights look like they're going to be much more reliable than the old bulbs. They're noticeably brighter. Bright lights. Everything works. Easy replacement of the old lights. Have only had them underwater a few times and they are still working, as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.